Ready to dive into the world of Ethereum and grab some ETH using your Coinbase wallet? Let's get started. First, make sure you've downloaded and set up your Coinbase wallet. If you haven't, pause this video and do that now. Once you're in, tap the buy button. It's usually right in the middle of your screen. Next, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. Find Ethereum, often labeled as ETH, and select it. This confirms that you want to purchase Ethereum. Now, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to buy. You can type in the amount in your local currency, like USD, or directly in ETH. Decide how much you want to invest. You'll need to choose a payment method. Coinbase Wallet usually offers options like debit cards, bank transfers, or connecting to your Coinbase account for a smoother transaction. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to link it. Before finalizing, carefully review the transaction details. This screen shows you the amount of ETH you're buying, the payment method you're using, and any fees associated with the purchase. Double-check everything. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. You might need to enter a security code or complete a verification step. After that, you should see a confirmation screen indicating your purchase was successful. Head back to your Coinbase Wallet home screen. You should now see your newly purchased Ethereum balance reflected in your wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully bought Ethereum. Remember to always prioritize security. Enable biometric authentication. Back up your recovery phrase securely, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Happy investing.